I'm gonna show you how to install Windows installer, Windows 10 installer using this USB Cruiser Blade 16GB SanDisk. Alright, and to your computer. Alright, so you'll need to download Rufus and Windows 10 image file. I'll just put the link where you can download these installers, so I'll put it on the description. And then just run this as admin, click yes, and pick the USB drive, which is 16 gig. This one, it automatically detects the USB. And then boot selection should be an ISO. Alright. With this text, there's a new version, but we can close that one. We can download later. And then we'll have to select which drive, but before that we need to map this image drive mount. I need to mount it. So right now it's on H drive. This one is the 16 gigs, the G drive. So H drive is your Windows 10. So if you go back to Rufus, select H drive. Okay. Actually, we can go to the installer. We'll need to go to this directory, F drive. So F drive, and then tools, Windows 10 to USB, this guy. And then select partition scheme. I already have an MBR. I'm gonna set up this USB as GPT. GPT is for the new motherboards, which supports UEFI. Okay, and you can change the label. You can name it as Windows 10 Pro or Windows 10 installer. Then file system, leave it NTFS, and it's gonna use 4 gig. And then just click, since it says ready, then we can click start. And then it's gonna give you a warning that it's gonna erase all the existing files for this USB drive. And since this is a new USB, I don't have to worry about it. So I'll just click OK, and it's gonna start installing Windows 10 on this USB drive.